Hello, I'm John, the creator of Speak British English. In this video, you're going to learn how to pronounce this word like a British native. You're also going to learn how you can get a month of free access to my online pronunciation school. Listen as I demonstrate. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. As you can hear, this word has 5 syllables and the stress is on the first syllable. That means that the first syllable is pronounced high and the other 4 syllables are pronounced low. Listen again, this time I'll say it very slowly. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. The vowel in the first syllable is the short monophthong e. 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 It's crucial that you don't confuse this sound with the sound e. Compare the following words. Crip, creep, crip, creep. As you can hear, although both vowels are short, they sound slightly different. Listen as I compare the two vowels. E, 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 e. The next vowel in cryptocurrency is the diphthong o. Watch as I demonstrate. O, o. This sound can be pronounced long or short. Compare the following words. O, ode, oat. As you can hear, in oat, the diphthong sounds short. That's because it's followed by an unvoiced consonant, the sound t. By contrast, in o, there's no consonant sound after the diphthong, and in ode, there's a voiced consonant, the sound d. In cryptocurrency, the diphthong is followed by an unvoiced consonant sound, the sound k. However, the diphthong is still pronounced long. That's because the word cryptocurrency is constructed from 2 parts. Crypto from cryptographic and currency. In fact, sometimes you'll see cryptocurrency written as 2 words, or written with a hyphen, but this is not common. Watch once more as I demonstrate the diphthong, and pay close attention to the shape of my mouth. O, o. As you can see, I begin the diphthong with this mouth shape. I then bring my lips together into a tight circle. The next vowel is a. Watch carefully as I demonstrate this sound, and pay close attention to the shape of my mouth. A. A. As you can see, I'm using the same mouth shape that I used at the beginning of the diphthong o. Watch as I compare the 2 sounds. O. A. O. A. Although the mouth shape is the same, the sound is different. The diphthong o begins with the sound not the sound a. Listen again. O. A. O. A. The sound also occurs in the next syllable of the word. Listen as I demonstrate. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. This is a weak syllable, so you don't need to open your mouth very much. Watch again. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. The final vowel is the sound E. We looked briefly at this sound at the start of the video. Listen again and notice that this is not the same vowel sound as in the first syllable. Cryptocurrency. cryptocurrency. The vowel E is confusing for many English learners. That's because sometimes it's pronounced long and sometimes it's pronounced short. And when it comes at the end of a word, it's written like this. The first consonant sound in this word is the cluster kr. Watch carefully. Kr. Cryptocurrency. Kr. Cryptocurrency. As you can see, I'm using this mouth shape. This is the same mouth shape that we use for the sounds f and v. Notice that my upper teeth are biting into my lower lip, and my upper lip is raised. Inside my mouth, my tongue is curled back. Watch again. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. The next consonant sound is p. However, if you listen carefully, you'll notice that I don't actually make a p sound. Let me demonstrate. Crypto. Crypto. As you can see, instead of making a p sound, I do a glottal stop and then gently press my lips together before moving on to the next syllable. Watch again. This time I'll demonstrate very slowly. Crypto. Crypto. The next sound is t. This is an aspirated sound, meaning that you need to exhale strongly. Let me demonstrate. Toe. Toe. As you can hear, when I say toe, it sounds like I'm making the sound t and then saying ho. Listen again. T, ho, toe, crypto. The next consonant is k. This is also aspirated. Listen as I demonstrate. K, currency. K, currency. Again, it sounds like I'm making the sound k and then saying currency. Listen again. K, currency, currency. Although I am exaggerating, I encourage you to practice this way to develop the best technique. K, currency, currency. The final consonant is s. Listen as I demonstrate. S, s. As you can see, my mouth is slightly open and I'm smiling a little bit. The tip of my tongue is pressed against the back of my upper teeth. Watch again. S, s. To get a really clear sound, try adding a t consonant. Let me demonstrate. Ts, currency. Ts, currency. Now listen once more as I demonstrate the whole word. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. To learn more about the sounds, concepts and techniques covered in this video, follow the link in the description to my online school. I currently have 4 courses covering all aspects of British pronunciation, with video lectures, quizzes, usage examples, vocal exercises and listening exercises. You can try all the courses for free, and full membership is available for only £15.97 a month. Use coupon code YouTube to get your first month free. Thanks for watching.